Alright guys, so in today's video, okay, we're going to review Safrootics. So this is a play-to-earn free-to-play game that is currently under development. And before we jump into this awesome project, do not forget to subscribe in our channel. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with new contents every single day, guys. And of course, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I just stumbled on this project. Actually, I'm checking out the white paper. I'm also checking the Twitter a while ago. So let's talk about more of what the hell is this game, So I can say that it could be one of the hidden gems that we're looking for, because definitely this is a free-to-play play-to-earn game. Actually, if you're going to view the white paper, which is this one, I'm also going to put it into the description box below. You can see that their vision is to make a game that has a zero investment barrier, and of course to make a game free to play and play to earn. And they are helping to onboard. So if you are a gamer, okay, you're just a casual gamer, Web 2.0, okay, they aim to have a blockchain game that is fun and enjoyable, and even though you don't have a wallet, you can even make money from it. Okay, so this game is made on a pixel art style. Okay, so definitely it is kind of like a nostalgia for me. And let's just go forward into the part 2, which is the team. And I do appreciate that they've what do you call that? They've put it into like the part 2, so that we can see that they're not going anywhere. They have like they have the pride on the projects that they have. And of course, some of the people include Muhammad El Fiki. So you can definitely check them out on Twitter. So this is their Twitter accounts, and this is composed of Vietnamese. There's even other foreigners involved in here. So this is more of like the lore. Okay, but of course, I just want to explain like what is Safrootics, so how it is being free to play and also play to earn. So this is a cash and all game that will be available on mobile and also in PC. So make sure to join the Discord server. I'm also going to put it into the description box below, so that you'll be able to find or like get an updated information about this project. And also, this is their Twitter, so do follow them on Twitter. I'm also going to follow them right now, because I see that there's something good that is happening in here. Okay, so this has been developed by Alab Studio, and you can start here in a mysterious land, all right, that is full of this mystical, okay, tiny little cute creatures called Safrootics, or ticks for short. Okay, so every tick is unique here, so it is 1 for 1. All right, so you can collect them, you can battle them against other players, and even grow them stronger. Actually, I do have like a what do you call that, like a game. Okay, this is like the gameplay video. Okay, so I made sure that I find this somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to play it right now while I'm explaining it right here. And this game is also will be community driven. They run giveaways and even events all the time. So this is the basic interface when you are going to enter the game. All right, so you need to have your username and password. Click the play button. Okay, you can choose to log out if you wanted to, and this is like the game. All right, so okay, so let's see. So he's picking now the ticks in here. Okay, so you can see that the map is also very big, and this is the Venad, which is more of like the NPC, guys. So I'm sure gamers know NPCs. So Venan is helping you, or helping the user, okay, on how to actually navigate as well. So there's a lot of things going on in here, guys. There will be a lot of shops. Okay, there are also tool tokens that you can get here, and definitely I will be explaining it later on. And also there's a nighttime in here, guys. So if you're pretty much particular on like the night per se, definitely they've made sure that they included it into their gameplay as well. So there's a lot of trees in here. There's even this what they call that, this television. Actually, if you're going to click it, you'll be watching an ad, and you will be getting some rewards as well. Okay, so there's a lot of things actually going on in here, and I am thrilled, or like I'm looking forward to see it in the next few months to come. But for now, let's just focus on what I see here. So this is the gameplay highlights. Okay, so you can mint your tick, okay, and then once you mint your tick and it reaches the level cap, the player can actually mint it into from tick to an NFT, and then you can now sell it in the marketplace. And of course, if you sell it on the marketplace, you can get profits from it. And the rarer it is, much more value it is in the market as well. And definitely people can also buy ticks from the market. And you can see here that they have a 12 hours a day and night cycle, which I have previously said before. They also have a clans here, wherein you will be able to battle another group of people, and of course you can get some rewards in here. And there's also a PvE here, PvE activity, where player character can use their ticks to enter diff caves for nice and exclusive rewards. Alright, so each level can be completed by only one tick. However, once a level is completed, that tick will not proceed to the next level of the cave. The player will have to choose another tick for the next level, and so on. And I do appreciate that they've made sure to like orient us or give us some sneak information about how the gameplay works. And definitely we need to also talk about like the tokenomics and also the value of it. Okay, so when you start the game, you're going to get one tick, but of course this is not NFTs at the start. So what you just need to do is nurture it, make sure that your stat points is increasing, and also you grow your ticks so that when you reach level 30, you can now mint it as an NFT and even sold it in the marketplace. So now you can make money in here. And if you also want to purchase tick NFTs, you evolve into rarer, stronger ticks, and you can use it for PvP. And of course, if you have a stronger tick, you will win more PvP, and in return you will also receive much more rewards. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, so the second one is the in-game items that you are going to get. So this is live on Polygon Blockchain, and you can purchase it from the Safrootics marketplace. So since this is an NFT, okay, you have a power to take ownership of your own asset. Okay, we are now living in a Web3 world right now. And last but not the least, actually not the last, but founders badges and NFTs. So actually I'm looking forward on this one, because you can get a passive income, because they are rewarding early investors and those people who actually believe in the game's vision and team's efforts. So you will get a revenue share from income of ticks, secondary market trades on game launch. So every time there are some trade movements in the marketplace, you can get an income from it. And also the rarer thing that you're going to get, the more revenue that you can actually attain as well. Alright, so this is a good one because they are valuing people who actually like discovered this project a lot more sooner. And I'm looking forward to actually just get the thing first, and then let's just wait. If it gets successful, then we're lucky. Congratulations. But I mean, there's a lot of things that you can get here, like exclusive ticks, more inventory slots, bonus gold chip, and even in-game staking rewards. Alright, so it is in here actually, guys. So they've already posted it last August 25. So I kind of got late on looking on those kind of information. So it is on their white paper. So make sure to check out their Twitter. And this is how the marketplace work. Okay, so 10% cut of NFT sale. Okay, 6.5% goes to Alab Studio Treasury. So this is more like the game development side, that they're just keeping the money there because maybe they're going to use it for development and also for the marketing or anything. And then 3.5% actually goes to us. Alright, so just imagine if there's let's say $1 million, $1 million worth of trades, you know, and just imagine like 35,000, right? 35,000. So of course you just going to divide it, and there's a lot of potential on this one. So that's why I recommend you get these ones, because these passes that you can get here, okay, you don't need to actually made an effort anymore here, okay? So you'll be reaping the rewards as an early game player or even an investor. So this is now the token. So Ting is the token that the players earn. Okay, so for you to be able to get this, you need to rank up, and also you need to participate in battles and even weekly leaderboard rewards. Okay, and you can be able to actually jump in, like what I've said before, without an initial investment from the first day. And some of the earn and burn features here is that let's start from the burn first, because I'm pretty much sure that a lot of people are curious about the burning mechanism. So the thing is being spent for you to evolve a tick, and if you have a much more stronger tick, you can now win more battles in the arena, which in turn you can get much more tokens as well. So actually most of the spending in here are making your NFTs or making your tick a lot more stronger so that you can make more money. That's pretty much the summary of this. And for you to be able to get the thing, there is a drop rate from searching world objects. There's also a drop rate from mob battle, which is their PvE, player versus enemy, so more of like a computer. And you can also receive this from player rank up. Thing is being rewarded for the quest if you accomplish it. Also for the PvP arena rewards, weekly rewards rather, hunt rewards, tiny deep caves, and much more. So Lab now is the governance token. So this one is limited, and there's only 300 million that are circulating, you know. And this will influence all the studio's future projects, starting with Safrootics. So this is the first project that they're going to launch, and you can use Lab for you to be able to purchase also in-game items and NFTs. But in my case, okay, not a financial advice, only invest what you can afford to lose. But I love governance tokens. I'm pretty much sure that you know me, guys, that I am a fan of a governance token, because first of all, it is limited. Second one, you also have a voting rights. Okay, this is pretty much the common use case in governance, but actually it makes a lot of sense, especially if you want to speak up, like what is your suggestion about like where should the project should go, and also lab will be involved, or like the lab token will be involved with occasional in-game events such as well as liquidity pools in external exchanges. So also, yeah, like what I've said, the marketplace, and this is like the token allocation. So I can see that the 15% for the team is pretty much decent. Development is 10%, that 10% is for play to earn, 5% for the events, 10% for the liquidity pools, 10% for the staking rewards. So definitely you can take a part on more of like the game itself, like 10, 15, 25, 35. So I think it's more like 45%, right? So 45% are more of like the money that is like going inside the ecosystem plus the event, so that more people will be able to see it, and also like the liquidity pool, and also the staking rewards if you just want to hold lab tokens and just make like a passive income daily. All right, so, and last but not the least is this is the roadmap. So this is the roadmap. So we are now on approaching Q4 of 2022. So whitelist and founders badges NFT mint are going to be launched soon, and also like the closed alpha game wherein we can now free to play and play to earn inside Safrootics, and also the token pre-sale, plus the quarter 21 quarter 1 2023 rather. Okay, NFT marketplace will be launched. So if you've already grind enough and you made your ticks stronger, now you can mint it into an NFT and then maybe sell it into the marketplace. And of course, you can now make money. You can now sell. You can now withdraw. Audit application, which is pretty much essential for every project. They're going to move forward with that. Okay, so if you want to learn more about Safrootics, guys, you have to join. Okay, there's no other way. You need to join their Discord group. Okay, so we're now joining the Discord group as well. So of course you need to click the verify emoji, because if you do not do that, you will be kicked, because they do not allow, it will be tagged like a bot or anything. So you just want to verify yourself, and make sure to okay, let me click the verify server. Okay, so if you have any more questions, just put it into this main chat section. Okay, so you can ask anything about Safrootics. Okay, so this is everything about this wonderful and awesome play to earn free to play project. Okay, so of course, if you haven't subscribed in our channel, do not forget to subscribe. This is Crypto Addict here. Again, I will be putting all of the description, all of the social media links into the description box below, so that you will be able to hop in and as well take advantage while it is still early. So that's it for today, guys. See you on the next video.